Hey there, in this video let us derive the sum of root and the product of root formula. So first of all, what are the two formulas? SOR is sum of root, POR is the product of root. So sum of root, let's assume alpha and beta are the two roots. So sum of the roots will be negative b over a, and then the product of roots will be c over a. Okay, so these are the two formulas. Now the question is, how do you prove this? To prove this, you need two things. The first is, the first equation you need is, so we know that if alpha is a root, so we know that x is equals to alpha, correct? And if beta is also another root, so we know x is equals to beta, correct? So we're going to make it become equal to 0 first. So x minus alpha equals 0, x minus beta equals to 0. Okay, so now these two we can combine to form a quadratic equation. So x minus alpha, x minus beta equals to 0. So we're going to expand this. So when we expand, what do we get? We get x square minus beta x minus alpha x plus alpha beta. Okay, so this is the equation. Now this one here, you have x and x, so we can combine. So when you combine, you get x square minus, so I'm going to write alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Okay, so now we got the first equation. Okay, by solving the root, by using the root, make it become equal to 0. Okay, and then we expand to form a quadratic equation. Now there is another equation you need, which is the standard form of the quadratic equation, which is the ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, so what are we going to do here is, since this coefficient here is 1, okay, so I'm going to try to remove the a here. Okay, make the x square become 1 as well. So the whole thing here I'm going to divide by a. So what I get is x square plus b over ax plus c over a equals to 0. So this is my second equation. So with these two equations, now I can compare. Okay, so I'm gonna write it down here. So I write x square plus b over a x plus c over a equals to 0. So now with this we can compare, because we know both of this is 1, right? This one is 1. So that means these two is the same and these two are the same. So from here we can already see that c over a is equals to alpha beta, correct? Oh wait, maybe I should write the other way. Alpha beta equals c over a. Okay, so this part you already prove. Okay, this one you already prove. Now you have to prove the second one. So the first one, negative alpha plus beta equals to b over a. So I bring the negative across, so alpha plus beta equals to negative b over a. So this is the sum of root formula, and this is the product of root formula. Clear? So this is how you solve, this is how you derive sum of root and product of root formula.